Hi everyone, welcome. We are going to look at a few different female goats here that are in different stages of their lives to kind of give you a general overview, which kicks off our whole talk today about breeding and reproduction. So when we look at these goats, there are three goats of varying ages and varying relations. And the first one I'd like to start with is this large one in front who is currently getting a snack. She is the oldest of the three. She's the mother goat currently of this young one here. She gave birth in March, and at this point, that baby is about 4 months old and getting ready to wean. At weaning time, we can then get the doe's body ready for breeding again, and she'll be put in with the buck soon to get rebred to have another baby a little later on. This little kid over here is actually not so much a kid anymore. She's about a year old, so she's coming into, well, she was sexually mature around 4 months of age, but her body wasn't ready for breeding. So she was kept a little while longer to get her body to the size and maturity it needed to be in order to successfully breed and have a viable pregnancy. So she's coming up on a year old, and she'll be ready to breed shortly. When we think about the ages of these animals, age matters. With these two kids, one's more of a kid than the other, the one's a little more mature, we want to be sure that we know our ages when we breed them. So this young doeling, she's female goat, she is about 3-4 months old or so. Her body is actually at the point where she could maybe hold a pregnancy and get bred, but she would still be growing at that point if she was bred, and her baby would suffer and she would also suffer. She might not grow to her fullest potential and produce a baby that might be a little less thrifty than it would be if we let her mature to the same size and physiological age as her half-sister right here, who is now a year old and old enough now to hold a viable pregnancy. So this one right here with the darker face will be put in with the buck shortly, as well as the mother of the younger one to be rebred. And she will be let grow out another, 8 months or so in order to get her to that mature size so that she can hold and maintain a viable pregnancy.